Hey guys, it's Heather at Lingerie Living. I'm back and I got a secret for you. Did you know one of the most kept secrets of French lingerie is that the color red is invisible under white? Case in point, hello. That's right, I'm wearing a red bra and you can't even tell. Black, nude, white, these are common basic colors in lingerie. You'll often find that brands will also carry the color red, like the Natori Pure Luxe Samba here. And it's because that red is truly invisible under white. Our skin has red undertones, which brings out this invisible layer, if you will, that goes against your skin when you're wearing white. So the more fair skinned you are, you're gonna wanna have a more true Christmas red color. And the more darker toned you are, you can go into cranberries or even some deep aubergine colors. No matter what, wear your favorite white t-shirt, wear that red bra, and feel really special. Thanks for stopping by and stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Lingerie Living.